Hey, what up, guys? Today we're doing another vlog, another mods on the F-150. From our last vlog, or one last mod we did was this, put this short antenna on there. But now we're gonna do this here, the WINUNITE. This is a tailgate assist for your truck lid, or gate, truck gate. And where it goes on your tailgate, it goes here, well, somewhere in there. Let me open this. So it goes in on either side, I guess. It don't matter, but what it does is it keeps your tailgate from slamming down when you open it, which is bad for this cable here, or the truck itself, you know. So I got this Tailgate Assist here from Amazon. It's got a instruction, easy to follow. The good thing about this kit is it comes with everything you need. You don't need tools. It comes with everything you need. It's already got the flat wrench, 10mm socket, this Star Allen wrench or thing, and then it even comes with a thread lock, red version. Not sure what this is for. It's got the shocks right here. And then it's got these two adapters. One's just got 2 holes, and this one's got the adjustable one. So all you gotta do is to put this on is remove these 2 bolts here and put this here like so, and then remove this cable, and then remove this cable, and then this here, so you could put this one, so you could put this adapter on there. It goes right behind this here. It goes right behind this thing. Once you remove it and put this on there, it goes in like that. So let me put this camera down and take those out, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna try and remove these 2 bolts here, which is what you need to remove, so you could put this adapter here, guys. Got the 2 bolts out, guys, right here. Now we just put our adapter, and then put the bolts back on there, reinstall the bolts. Make sure you put them on there straight, guys, and don't cross thread them. Alright, got these all tightened down and snug. Some paint came off. I'm not sure if these are stainless steel or just regular metal, but you know, if you go through a car wash and check these like maybe once a week, if you see any rust, just go over it with white spray paint or whatever color your truck is, and just, you know, spray them lightly with the paint and then let it dry. You should be good to go and they won't rust anymore. All right, now time to remove this one here. Okay, this one is kind of hard to remove by yourself, guys, if you're by yourself, because you gotta use your flat wrench that came with it and pop this open and then slide this back to this big hole and then just pull it out and come out. So the way I did it is I lifted this truck, because you gotta lift this up to have some leverage to let these, so you could have some slack and on this cable, that way you could pull it out. Just use your knee, your right knee, and lift up on the gate here like that, so you could have some slack on the cable and then just pull it out. Now we just gotta remove this here with this tool that came with it, the star tool, star Allen wrench, or yeah. There you go. Remember, guys, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Once you gotta loosen up, guys, you could just use your hand and unscrew it like so. Now you put this here like this, but you gotta use the stock bolt, the same that came with it, and then just like so. So you're pretty much doing the same thing, you know, just backward. Use this Allen wrench and then tighten it down. Just tighten up where it doesn't come up or move, and then reinstall your cable. And then to do this, you gotta lift up on the gate again with your right knee, and then just push on it just like that. Easy. It's on there. And now the last part we gotta do is install the gas shocks, or yeah. This is pretty much easy to do, guys. To install this, you just gotta put this ball in there, the ball joint right here. It's easy to install. You just push it in with your palm, and then once you hear it click, it's in there. Now to do the top one, you gotta lift up the gate again with your knee, or maybe you could do it with one hand, I don't know. Or if you can't do that, it still won't reach it, just grab a hold of this and pull straight up on it, so you could extend the shocks. Extend it just enough to where you could put the this ball inside this hole. just like so, guys. See, I extended the shocks that far, and now you just use your palm to push it in there, just like you did with the bottom one. There we go. You hear that click? That means it's on there right. And that's it, guys. That's pretty much it. And it's installed that easy. You even got leftover parts, extra parts that you don't need, or you need, I don't know. Put all this back in there. I recommend keeping this, or just in case in the future, you know, if the shocks ever gives out, you just buy another one and then use this spare stuff on there. So I'm gonna show you guys what this exactly do to your tailgate. Let me close the gate, and then when you open it, it should just come down like slowly and not like fast and slam the gate down. See how it's slow, it's going down. It doesn't slam down like normally it does. So that's gonna, you know, help the gate and these cables prolong their life. So smooth. Well, yeah, guys, that is it for this mod, and this is our second mod for the truck, and that is it. If you learned something from the video, you want to do this to your truck, hit that like and subscribe button, guys. It would help my channel a lot. And thanks for watching the video. See you guys on our next mod, which is that big old box in the garage.